New construction home on 1.33 acres, country living. Fabulous open floor plan. Beautifully appointed kitchen west/quartz countertops, white cabinets west/soft closed drawers and doors, under cabinet lighting. Stainless steel appliances including a stove, dishwasher, microwave and French door refrigerator, west/ice and water on door. Family room west/coffered ceiling and fireplace open to kitchen, LG Butler's pantry located between kitchen and dining room. Foyer and powder room round out the downstairs. Primary bedroom west/2 walk-in closets and a wonderful ensuite to include a soaking tub, LG tiled shower west/glass enclosure, private water closet, double bowl vanity and linen closet. 3 guest bedroom, a hall bath west/double bowl vanity and upstairs laundry room. 2 car garage west/opener. This home is on well and septic, both installed during construction. Builder offering $10,000 in CCA west/use of preferred settlement agent.